welcome to this new Crypto Bros video. After a few weeks without posting due to personal issues, we are back to present on this occasion YieldRobot, which has been audited by the stamp, as you can check in this smart contract audit report. You can find all the links related to this video down below it, and remember that we don't give any financial advice. So please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, YieldRobot is a state-of-the-art trading bot app that uses latest technology based on high-frequency trading algorithms and artificial intelligence machine learning. Therefore, it will take full advantage of every opportunity it discovers in the crypto markets and will offer, as it is mentioned here, an APR of 730% and 2% daily return capital gain on our investment. That is, we will get back our initial investment in less than 2 months, and the rest will be profits. And as mentioned here, there is only 3% deposit fee that goes to the developers, so we won't pay any other fees apart from this small one. Well, let's explain how to invest, which is pretty easy. So the first thing, if we want to invest, is clicking this connect button in order to connect our MetaMask or our Trust wallet to the Binance Smart Chain, which is the network where this project is built on. So it is very important that we change the network in our MetaMask or our Wallet Connect if we are operating through other networks to this BUSD network. Then it is very easy. We just need to scroll a little bit down, and here we just have to set to write down the amount that we want to deposit. For instance, 100 BUSD. So it's very important that we've got these BUSDs in our wallets, and we can, these are stable coins that we can previously buy in platforms such as Binance, for instance. And once we choose the amount that we want to deposit into this pool of bots, we only need to approve the transaction, making sure that we've got enough BUSDs left to pay these small gas fees that our wallets charge us. And then that's all. The rest is to sit back, wait, and see how we receive passive income daily. We can withdraw by clicking this button, our rewards, after the first day of our investment and all the times that we want. And here there are some figures related to our investment. We can find our claimable rewards, our rewards of all the times, the total amount of rewards received, the BUSDs per day that we get per day, and per hour as well. Besides, if we keep on scrolling down, we can find this apply for a coupon button, which redirects us to their Telegram channel. And once here, apart from these fixed messages, for instance, we will open the community on the 17th, today at 2 p.m. UTC time zone. Here we can also find this welcoming message where it states that we can send a private message to these costume services in order to get a free $12 coupon that we can use to invest in this project. On top of that, if we close the Telegram and keep on scrolling down, we can see here the BUSD deposit history that we will be available soon. And here we can find this referral link once that we connect our MetaMask or our Trust wallet. And here we can earn an extra 8% bonus if all the people use our referral code that will be generated here just by copying it and getting into YieldRobot through our personal link. And it is also important to point out, as we can check in the white paper in this section, in the roadmap, that in this second phase, in the next year, the first and second quarter, the idea is to trade and airdrop NFTs through the website OpenSea, and also release an iOS and an Android app, among other interesting things. And here we can find some of these ideas, as well as more particular data of the YieldRobot YRC token, and some frequently asked questions that we have tried to solve during this video. And that's all. Here is the team: Manish Agrala and Laya Adams, both founder and co-founder of Yield Robot. And to sum up, this is a very interesting project which is going to be launched today, and where we can get 12 free dollars of in order to invest them if we want, and 2% fixed daily return of the investment. Thank for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and see you in the next video. Thanks.